YouTube made some major announcements the other day, and the announcement that's most important to you as a chef with a cooking show is a new feature that's coming called dynamic ad placements. This is important to you because it's going to make it a lot easier for you to make a whole lot more money. The easiest way to explain how this works is with an example, so we'll start there.
Yeah, I think it's gonna take about 35 minutes at 425, and we'll check it. It's really about the noodles, like that's what it's all about. So I think I've covered it really well. And with the parchment paper and then the full paper on top of it, it's going to, as best as it can, it's gonna like lock in and it's gonna create that steam so that it breaks down the noodles. So put that in and then we'll be back.
Look at these pants. Do you see how they move and sway? I love this. And it even has pockets. Who doesn't love a pocket? You know, when Angela started Priska's Art, she actually focused on accessories and men's fashion. We'll get to all of that. However, a customer commissioned her to make a piece for her curvy body, and that's what got her into this. Thank you, customer. So when you walk into a room and the light hits this piece, I don't know if you can see this embellishments that's on here. Let me tell you something. Atención, atención. And you don't even have to say a word. That's what fashion is all about.
So we're back. And let me tell you something. The oven said, "We ready." And I took it out. And here we are.
So what you saw there was a commercial that Jessica made for a local business that she's working with that she inserted into a natural breakpoint in her cooking show. That's the way that you're able to make commercials now, whether you're working with a small business or a major corporation. That's the way you do it right now. You can insert a commercial at any point and then you're stuck with it. That video is made, it's basically frozen forever. And that video, that commercial will stay in that video forever. Just like your YouTube videos live forever on YouTube, the commercials that you put into your videos live forever on YouTube, the way things currently are. So that company will continue benefiting from the advertising that you created for them forever, even though you're not getting paid for it forever. So 5 years from now, 10 years from now, that video is still going to be there sending traffic to that business owner's website. And Jessica will have long since stopped receiving any form of payment from that business owner. That's the way things work now. With dynamic ad placement, when that feature rolls out and becomes widely available to everyone, you'll be able to replace that commercial. So you can have that whatever block of time that commercial is, and you sell that for a period of time, let's say 90 days or 6 months or a year. And then later, when that contract runs out, you can resell that block of ad time inside that video to somebody else. So you're able to continue making money from your videos instead of just selling an advertising space one time and receiving a payment for it one time or for whatever period, whatever limited period. You're able to have these dynamic ad blocks that you're able to sell forever, over and over again. So you may have a video that really takes off and is surprisingly successful. For some reason, one of your recipes, people really love it. And that video goes on to rack up hundreds of thousands or millions of views. That's a video that obviously has more value than your videos that make maybe 1,000 views or 10,000 views on average. And so you can sell advertising space in that video at a much higher price. This dynamic ad placement just opens up so many opportunities for you to make money with your cooking show, which is the whole point of it when you're working with me. And you know, that's what I teach, a cooking show as a business, not just doing this for fun. It is fun. As you saw, Jessica's having a great time showcasing those outfits and, you know, just doing her thing. And that's the beauty of the creator economy. You get to earn a living by doing what you love. Another big announcement that YouTube made the other day is that they've paid out over $100 billion in just the last 4 years. So it's 2025 when I'm making this video, September 2025. YouTube announced that since 2021, they've paid out over $100 billion to creators. So that's through the AdSense program where you're getting paid a share of the revenue from the ads that YouTube puts on your videos. $100 billion in just the last 4 years. That's a lot of money and a lot of opportunity. plenty of opportunity for you to find brands to work with where you get to just be yourself and create commercials that are fun for you as well as for your audience, which means they're going to perform better. People are not going to skip through it because they're going to enjoy watching the commercial because it's you speaking in your voice and communicating with them the way that you normally communicate with them, even when you're not being paid for it. This is what your life can look like. This is how you can use a cooking show to create a business that allows you to just enjoy your life, have plenty of free time, and make way more money than what you're making right now. You can already do that with YouTube, as demonstrated by that $100 billion over the last 4 years. And they're steadily working to add more features like dynamic ad placements that give you even more ways to make money. And there's nothing stopping you from doing this but you. All you need to participate in this, the creator economy, is your smartphone and a desire to make money by helping other people, by sharing your knowledge. That's it.
Let me tell you something. This kombu business, this is what's giving it like some life, some flavor.
I wish you could smell it. That sesame oil. So we're gonna move quick because we don't want anything here to burn or linger longer than it needs to. So we got that.
It's no more complicated than that. And it really is just a matter of you making a decision about what you want to do with your life. How do you want to live your life? How do you want to earn your living? What's important to you? Is this something that you want to do? And then making a decision to do it, because really all you need to get started is your smartphone. And like I said, a desire to get paid by sharing your knowledge. So if this is something that you'd like help with, use the link in the description box to apply to join my cooking show accelerator. This is what I help you do. And I look forward to helping you get your cooking show started.